Yep, you too. Thank you. Hello.
Ma'am, mga bawatin po.
Ano pa?
Your name? Sir? Ay.
Oh, thank you. We going back to Club Paradise. Let's go. But it is now known as Discovery Coron. If you're wondering why I look kind of funny, it's because I'm clipped to my my bag here, just so I can do my first person kind of shots, if you know what I mean, because I want to be hands free. Once all of our fellow vacationers were on board, we then took off from Busuanga Airport and headed to the boat launch. The total length of the trip from the airport to the resort is roughly an hour and 30 minutes, van ride taking 15 to 20 minutes, and the boat ride taking 30 to 45 minutes, which is all provided with your booking. Heading to the island was a breeze. The water was calm, the ride was smooth, and before long the resort came into view as the crew got ready to dock on the beach.
Thank you very much. Welcome back, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Afternoon.
Welcome home po. Here for
Thank
some
you.
cold towels.
How was your trip to here?
Good.
Good.
No problems. Nice and smooth.
Is it your first time here in Discovery Coron?
Second,
Oh,
Dalawa.
okay.
We got our OG wristband from Club Paradise.
Oh, that's so the last time you're here, what year? Is it
2 years ago.
2 years
Yeah,
ago?
just before they rebranded it.
Ah, okay. So you already been to our Filipino restaurant?
Not the new
Oh,
one.
not the new one.
What's the new one called? Sinag.
Yeah.
There you go.
They just serve Filipino food.
I like that. Huh? Oh yeah. Put that on my forehead. My forehead will be the first to burn. Easily. And let me tell you, he was definitely not wrong. You'd think this guy is smiling because he is having fun? No, he is smiling because he is trying to have fun but is experiencing pain and suffering. And now, back to the video. Salamat, sir. As we head to our beachside bungalow for the second time, we are filled with anticipation to finally kick back and relax. Oh my god. Entering the room, our jaws dropped. A warm and inviting display for our honeymoon getaway. Look at that. Mr. Mrs. Shout out Discovery Coron, y'all the real MVP. And now for a proper room tour. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in our bedroom at Discovery Coron after having to do some extra stuff, but we are here. I had to do some R&R before I decided to do a little room tour. Here is our bed. You probably already saw it. We dismantled the rose petals. There's still some over there. This whole setup was very nice because me and Blur here are celebrating a honeymoon. Late honeymoon, yeah. Because, well, we kind of did a honeymoon in Hawaii, but it just wasn't, it wasn't 100%. We wanted a little more. So this is perfect for us. So, what this room offers is one bedroom, a Blur, flat screen TV, with a mini bar, with Absolute Vodka, Beefeater. I don't even know what that is. It's some, something. And Johnny Walker Black Label. But obviously, minibar comes at a cost, just like any other hotel, you know. You pull, you drink, you pay. Then you got a mini fridge, filled to the gills. Well, not fully full, But, you know, you got a few things. You got San Mig Light. Don't know what that is to the left of it. And you got some Del Monte pineapple juice. And then, oh my God! Then you got some Coca-Cola. And you got some mug. And Vita Coco. But I don't think that's a part of the hotel, to be honest. That could have been what someone left earlier. I don't know if they have Vita Coco here. Actually, let me read the menu. Yes, it is on the menu. So it's safe to say that anything in that fridge that you want, you're going to have to pay once you take it out. Or drink it, I should say. So let's go check out the bathroom. Watch, I'll kick open the door. Yeah. I'm not going to kick it because this is actually a really nice resort and we really like it. So this is a good old walk-in chow. Good old walk-in chow. You got your top little doohickey. You got your other doohickey. So, you know, if you need to pull it off and rinse in areas unknown, you definitely can. Bench included, just in case you're like, I'm too lazy and I want to sit down while I'm taking a shower. Hey, go ahead. Or if you have, you know, disabilities and you need to sit down well, you can do that too. Or put your foot on it. Whatever. I don't know. Whatever you want to do with that. Captain, what's that rum? What's the rum? The rum with the leg up?
If you want to sit for old people.
Well, yeah. But I was saying you can also put your leg here, like so. Like, what the hell is his name? It's a bottle of liquor. It's rum.
Oh, where?
Captain Morgan?
Where?
Is that it?
Where?
You know, leg on top of the barrel.
Oh, yeah.
Pirate?
Uh-huh.
Captain Morgan? I bet you guys were watching that being like screaming at the screen. Captain Morgan! Why won't he fucking hear me? So you got a mirror. Every bathroom should come with a mirror, right? That's pretty self-explanatory. You got a sink? No, this Hello Kitty bag does not come with this room. This is ours. You got a loofah in a bag. You got a second loofah in a bag. You got some soap. Obviously, we opened that already. 2 roses because we are lovebirds. Got some alcohol right here. Sanitizer stuff. Cups. Tissue. You got a toilet so you can do your duties. And then you have the Forsaken bum gun for you Americans that are not used to a bum gun. You just grab that little yahoo and you stick it under your you-know-where and you fire the cannon. And trust me, it's a game changer. Truly is. You will never feel so clean in your life. And then, of course, there is a hairdryer here for all you ladies who are wondering, should I bring a hairdryer? Well, the answer is no. It's right there. You're good. Don't worry. Towels, my flip-flops, my bare feet, my ugly feet. And then, of course, outside, the blinds. It's dark. You can't see. Hold on. Right now, it's dark. And you guys kind of already saw it when we got here, but, surprise. Sorry. I don't want to let in the Lamoke. I want to be real quick about it. And I don't want to go out there right now. There's got to be a light. A light to go outside. Oh my God, what the heck? Windows open just a gap. No wonder Lamoke get in. Sorry, I'm just now realizing that this window looks closed, but it's slightly open. There's a gap. That's how the Lamoke are getting in. It looks like it can slide all the way out here to open it. Ooh. You can probably shove it over slightly a little more. I mean, I see what they're trying to do here. They're trying to put a little rubber.
Look at this.
Rubber grommet.
Look at this. It's not all the way.
The wheel is not on the tracks. This is not good. I need to call this room service people. Hey there, this is room 1013. And we got a window issue
That have
here
a big gap here.
that has a really big gap. It looks like one of the roller wheels are off the track or something. We're probably going to be here, you think 30 minutes to an hour?
What time is it?
I don't know.
What time is it?
What time is it? 6:50.
Well, probably. We'll still be here.
Yeah, we'll probably still be here for probably 30 minutes to an hour and then probably go have dinner. Is it okay if they come in if we're like not here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, salamat. Yeah, so we definitely have a window concern here, and that's why the Lamoke are coming in. Hey, hold on.
gotcha.
Sorry, I was slapping Lamoke like a drug. Slapping some Lamoke, dog. So, that is our current situation. This resort, though, in this room is very lovely. I've already made a video about it, and you're probably wondering, why am I showing the same place over again? Well, honestly, I just love this place, and I might as well give it an updated video. And besides, they have rebranded this place as no longer Club Paradise. It is Discovery Coron. And they've also added a new restaurant. So that's also why we are making a vlog here. Because things have changed. Not drastically, but things have changed. New restaurant. Blur, what's it called?
What?
The restaurant.
Sinag.
Sinag. So,
Sinag.
Sinag. And they serve strictly Filipino food. And it is masarap, very delicious. 10 out of 10, very good. Now on to our island hopping excursion. We slowly make our way to the first island, known as Malpagalan Island. Once we arrived, the scenery was beautiful, felt like the kind of island you'd be deserted on. Trekking our way through the soft sand felt like a workout to my unfit American self, but was totally worth it, as we got some sick photos thanks to our guide. Cool rocks, stranded island vibes, loved it. But the next island, yeah, that one stole the spotlight. So we did what we do best, hopped back on the boat and set off for the next island on our list. Now this island was even better. Plenty of shade under lush green trees, soft white sand, crystal clear water, and surrounded by countless beautiful little islands. The best part? We had the entire day to snorkel and relax here. Just me, my wife, the amazing boat crew, and one unexpected furry friend keeping us company. Look at this spread that we have here. Got some pork, got some chicken, got some tubig, some water. I had this earlier, and all with this wonderful view. You honestly cannot beat that one bit. Just got done doing a little bit of snorkeling. I'm loving it. It's good. Let's just say I spent a little too much time snorkeling and too much time in the sun without reapplying sunscreen. He may be smiling now, but as you already know, I got sunburned really badly. It was not a great time afterwards. Sunburn? Future me's problem. I wasn't worried about how crispy I'd be later. Right then, I was too busy vibing with a coconut pretending I lived here full time. And dear Lord, can someone get this man a bra? And if you thought sunburn was my biggest worry, think again, because later I'd be attacked by a rabid drone. Definitely not pilot error. Nope, not at all. New life lesson, drones bite! But being stubborn, I gave it another shot, this time flying a little further out so the boat's forward momentum wouldn't come back to haunt me. All in all, aside from me somehow managing to hurt myself, this island hopping tour was absolutely breathtaking. Huge shout out to Discovery Coron and their awesome boat crew for giving us the perfect island day. If you had fun watching me survive paradise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. We will see you in the next one.